My name is Hiren Pitwa, and today I'm gonna present some glimpse on a Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So first of all, I will give you the introduction of Bluetooth, how the Bluetooth names the Bluetooth. So the name Bluetooth was named after the 10th century Viking king in Denmark, Harald Bluetooth, who united and controlled the Denmark and Norway. The name was adopted because the Bluetooth wireless technology is expected to unify the telecommunication and the computing industry also. So for that, its name is Bluetooth. Next, here the introduction of the Bluetooth, simplifying communication between the device and the internet, data synchronization also. Bluetooth operates in a license exempt ISM band at 2.4 GHz. It is used the frequency hopping spread spectrum. It is omnidirectional and Bluetooth no require line of sight. Bluetooth offers data speed of up to 1 Mbps to 10 Mbps and the short range wireless radio technology. Bluetooth, unlike IRDA means infrared, and the Bluetooth also supports the LAN-like mode where multiple devices can interact with each other. The key limitation of the Bluetooth are the security and the interface with a wireless LAN. Okay, next these are the specification of profile code listed. Okay, next these are the specification of profile codeless telephony, serial port, headset, intercom, dial-up networking, fax, file transfer, generic access, service discovery application, etc. And these are the usage models: portless computer, ultimate headset, 3-in-1 phone, interactive conferences, direct network access, instant postcard, and it is the security. Security in Bluetooth is provided on the radio paths only. We can not provide the software-based security in the Bluetooth. So we only provide via the radio paths. Link authentication and the encryption may be provided. True end-to-end security relies on higher layer security solution on top of Bluetooth. Bluetooth provides a three security service: authentication, identification, verification of communicating. It is a confidentiality against the information compromise. Mm, means it will not compromise in the data redundancy. Authorization access the right of resources and services. Fast effect together with the link radio rank provide control, provide protection from. Here is the introduction about the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi wireless fidelity is a wireless technology that uses the radio frequency to transmit the data through the air. Wi-Fi is an alternative to technology. Means it will replace the Bluetooth also, which is commonly used for the connecting device in wireless using the radio waves. Here is the origin. Back in the 1991, Wi-Fi was invented by the NCR Corporation, Netherlands. The first wireless product were brought on the market under the name Wavelan with the speed of 1 Mbps to 2 Mbps. And it is Wi-Fi were the accidentally invented. The scientist was invented about the black hole like stuff, and they are fail on the um, on their project origin. So accidentally they invented Wi-Fi, and we now use it. Vic Hayes, who is the inventor of the Wi-Fi, has been named the father of the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi technology uses radio signal to transmit the data, just like our old radio sets, TVs, and the walkie-talkies. The wireless adapter of the device translates digital data to radio signals. Signals are then transmitted over the antenna. Router receives the signal and decodes them. Advantages of Wi-Fi: no wire, a truly wireless network solution. No waiting, fast, easy and deployment. No worries, a wireless network system that is secure, easy to manage, and the built to grow with you. Easy to installation, quick, easy stay. As we know, we can quickly use the Wi-Fi, fast data transfer rate as compared to the other technologies. And these are the disadvantages of the Wi-Fi. It is speed slower compared to the optical cable, range affected by the various medium, travel based through the open space and the reduced by the poles, glass, water, etc. And these are the limitation of the Wi-Fi: limited range, data security risk, huge challenge for the Wi-Fi networks, interference from other devices such as telephones, microwave ovens, high power consumption, and making the battery life and heat concern. So this is the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi. I hope you like the video. Thank you.